Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both yourself and the massager. Wash the unit and your hands, then charge or insert batteries until the indicator reads full. This prevents mid-use interruption. Choose a comfortable semi-reclined or side-lying position with pillows for support because relaxation eases muscle response. Once done, apply a water-based lubricant sparingly to the tip to reduce friction. Start on the lowest intensity to let your body acclimate. You'll increase only if it feels comfortable and effective. You now move into controlled use. Position the massager externally on the perineal mound and avoid deep internal insertion. The device is designed to soothe tissue and improve circulation. Turn on the lowest setting and keep pressure light. Once you're comfortable, increase one step at a time to find effective intensity. Glide slowly across the area, holding for 30 to 60 seconds per spot, then pause and assess sensation. This pacing prevents overstimulation and allows you to target tender. You're at the final steps. Power down, clean, and care for yourself. Turn the device off, wipe it with mild soap and water, then air dry. Apply a cool compress to reduce any swelling. If you experienced pain or irritation, stop immediately and either reduce setting, change angle, or shorten sessions next time. If pain persists, consult a clinician. Make sure batteries are removed for storage or keep it charged. Proper storage preserves function and readiness for your next gentle session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.